guys, today
Hi. Good evening, friends.
meet Rais. Today I'm at Whitefield Affine Motors and I'm here to test ride the SD Roadster 2026 model which has been updated, and let's see what are the differences.
This is the fifth color is coming. What is the previously error was there? Every customer was seeing that error. That we already resolved, and this is a good. Their design is good, color is good, and engine heating is not coming more now. We have already resolved that. If you want, you can contact us. And my brother already using from last 3 years. That is the old version. Now he is trying to test ride for new version 2026 version. If you want, you can come, bro. We will help you. I am happy to assist you if anyone wants to.
Yes, definitely reach out to Mr. Rais. If you guys are looking to buy a SD or a Java motorcycle at Affine Motors in Whitefield, let's take the test ride of the SD Roadster 2026 model. So this is the 2026 model, and I am able to tiptoe. I don't have any problem putting my foot on the ground, and on my bike I have to tiptoe a little bit. So I think the seat height has been reduced a little bit, and the handlebar has been made a little bit shorter, and this has been thickened a bit. It's actually thinner on my bike. This is actually strong, and there are two types of handlebars which are available on sale. This doesn't get a fly visor, which is an accessory, and yes, let's start it. Bike is in the neutral. There are power modes. Let's start. Compared to 2023 OBD2 model, the tappet noise is not there. The engine noise has been reduced very much. The Alpha 2 engine is a smoother engine right now, and the only thing I am able to hear is the sound of the exhaust. I'll ride this and I'll let you know how does it feel. I am amazed by the performance of the updated SD Roadster. Seriously, the pickup, the clutch, everything goes well in hand to hand. The timing chain, everything has been on point, and the best part is the footrest. The footrest on my SD Roadster is a little bit here. Right now it is here, and it is very comfortable. And the exhaust note. Let me just. There are pops and bangs on the exhaust. This is definitely one hell of an update on the SD Roadster. I really need one right now. I really need an updated SD mode. I'm not even getting the word. I really need an updated SD Alpha 2 2026 model right now. But I still love my Inferno Red OBD2 model. Let's see. But I really love this bike. In fact, smaller and compact than my motorcycle. The seat has been made a little bit smaller. I have a wider seat in mine. The backrest, don't do this SD. This is a little bit smaller. The ones on mine is very nice. Then this has been given metal, is same as mine. This is an aluminum swing arm. Sorry, not a swing arm. This is an aluminum part. On mine, it's just a steel part. The quality and fit and finish has been improved a lot. No panel gaps or such. The mirrors are quite nice too. And the change you can observe here, you can see Alpha 2 here, and the pipe has been bent, it's curved. The pipe on my exhaust pipe on my bike is actually a little bit squarish. Quite a good update, but it has been made a little bit more compact and accessible. I still love my motorcycle. As you can see, this is my 2023 OBD Roadster, and this is the updated model. Mine's Inferno Black, glossy red, and this is matte green. You can see the main differences. This part has been improved a lot compared to this, and the suspension size remains the same as far as I know. I think the alloy size of the alloy number has changed, and that was the old handlebar which you guys can see, and this is the new handlebar, and there is another handlebar. The thickness of the handlebar has been improved a lot. This is what I told, the squarish cut of the exhaust pipe compared to the more curvy and grumpy note of the Roadster. The chain guard has been improved as well. I mean, it's changed as well. The back tire has gained a bit size.
No, I was always Mom, I also had to
The Zoroastrian logo isn't there anymore. There are hazard lights. There is braking light. It remains the same. These are the visual changes, and moreover, the back seat of the new 2026 model has been made smaller when compared to the old ones, including the backrest as well. This is it. Checking out. This is it.